Good day everyone, I'm Rasa Rivera and for today you will learn what a brainstorming is all about. Here is the outline of the topic. But first, let's learn about the definition of brainstorming and we will also learn some of the methods you can use for it. So, what is brainstorming? Brainstorming is a tool in generating creative and rich ideas and it helps people to establish patterns of ideas, develop new ways of thinking, active backward knowledge, and overcome mental blocks. Here is the method on how to organize your idea. Use an idea map. But first, what is an idea map? Idea map is a visual representation of ideas and their connections with one another. How to make an idea map? First, put the big idea or question at the center. After that, add a related idea by writing it down in a circle near the big idea. Then, draw a line between the two to show how the ideas are connected. Lastly, continue the process of connecting ideas until you have generated enough concepts. Here is the example of idea map.
Good day everyone, I'm Erwin Dungka. Let's take a look at an example of brainstorming list. Let's take a look at the next slide. This is what a brainstorming list look like.
For example, unemployment. What are the causes and effect of unemployment? What are the causes? Lack of motivation, layoff, lack of jobs. Here are the effects. Family problem, poverty, lack of money. And that's all for our topic. To sum it all up, brainstorming is a very powerful tool in generating and organizing your ideas. Thank you for joining us in exploring the concept of what brainstorming list is about.